Let's look at making the letter P in Morse code rhythms. In Morse code, the letter P is da-da-da-dit. When we go to make this into rhythms, we will use a short eighth note, 2 quarter notes, and then another short eighth note. This pattern is the same forward or backwards. We call that a palindrome. That's a high school level word you don't need to know. I think I learned it in college, actually. But a palindrome is the same forward as backwards. So I'm going to pull up a single eighth note to put at the beginning, and then let's get 2 quarter notes up here, and then at the very end is another single eighth note. See if I can get all of them on the screen at the same time so we can see the letter P in Morse code rhythms is da-da-da-dit.